I got a feeling that you have to exit dive, right? How did I guess? Oh, that's gonna be fun on the way home. Hopefully they got that cleared up. Hello?
You know what? I'll see you guys in a bread line someday. I'll see you in a bread line on the other side of a fucking re-education camp fence.
Nice cut off.
Jokes there. I don't give a fuck.
Maybe the movie could be about racial tensions in their small towns. People do the right thing. This is me for the rest of the
Luckily, there's no more.
Red light, Ron.
Right, exactly.
Use cases for AI. Lots of situations in which it is valuable.
I don't know that. Hold on. I said that I don't know that that's positive though, right? Like,
Left turn, regret.
It matter if it was gone. I guess what, like, is it?
And some people were like, well, whatever. They can just use AI to make like 12 new Fortnites, but like that's not actually functional if you're trying to maintain an organized player.
There's an ambulance coming. Really, guys? Well, at least that guy figured it out. And there's a backup of shame as well because, well, I don't really blame him, but you know, whatever. You saw what happened. Stop it. Really, you're turning from the right lane. Yeah, get out of the way. Get out of the way and stop moving. What the hell are you doing way back here? Oh, I know what you're doing. I know how you screwed up. Yeah, you want to turn left here. Don't you? Did you turn left? Yep, there you go. You're turning left. It's all on cameras because, well, I'm a psycho and I film everything. That's how it is. Oh, what the? Really? Screwbaroo? You don't have the touch. Was that an exit dive up there? Might have been.
You know what? Do you know what works with fucking corporations, or at least it used to, was shame.
Really?
Like if you somehow, you know,
Yeah, you're right behind me, and you're gonna pass that truck that's over there with the lights flashing, even though you're not supposed to do that. Stop it!
Hey, what should this character look and sound like? Probably just shout him out whenever you have an idea. Santa Claus.
No. Tesla.
Okay, we'll write that down.
You know, there's a couple types of pasteurizing, but the most common one is heating milk to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds and then rapidly cooling it, and that's it. And it just
that's the
kills.
temperature of most people's morning coffee.
Right, not even boiling, right?
Not even.
Yeah, and so it kills pathogens and it makes your milk safer. And it doesn't.
You can move up.
The nutritional content of the milk, and so I think when people.
What you doing
that,
back there? Stop looking in the mirror. Drive. Oh, you got your dog in? Don't have your pets on your lap.
And I don't mean violent, I don't mean the kinds that are obvious and explicit, but I don't think there is anything you could describe from my life as anything but
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Hundreds of thousands of likes and comments and shares on those videos. And you know what it is.
Red light run.
You know what
Nissan driver.
A little bit more about this before we move on to some of the other news stories when we get back. Maybe some of the more material details. But I have to say, I don't want to be the
red light run.
Like the other side resorts to misinformation so I'm going to as well.
Mm-hmm.
I think I know where I want to pick up that actually when we get back.
That's not kind of a weird, no. I don't think they get a red light when we get a green, because we're left on early.
We will be
All right.
back in a minute. Like, Anonymous would announce they're doing a DDoS attack somewhere. And so he was a part of Anonymous because he would, like, put in the URL.
Red light, Ron.
You know, like,
right.
That side turned red first for some reason.
Like, you're not
It's
as
selected.
J.K. Rowling, guys. She is
I
a
know.
billionaire. She is hoarding resources. More people are poor.
Red light,
because
run.
she is rich.
Going through that red arrow.
And she, by the way...
Bad. Stop it.
Doesn't make her not evil.
Yeah, you see that car in front of me? Although it's probably hard to see because he don't have his lights on. Considering that it's almost 11 o'clock at night, it's been dark for a while now, and it's also raining outside, it's kind of not safe to not have your headlights on. And, oh look, he flashes brake lights, but not his, he didn't turn them on. You know, it's kind of not safe to drive that way. Should I flash him one more time? Maybe he'll get the hint, or maybe not. Yeah. Bad. Stop it. And those DLR lights, or whatever the hell you call them, they're not really that bright. So there you go. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we're in Massachusetts. And oh look, he just moved back over. I barely got 2 lines into the song and you moved back over. Oh well. Oh look, there's a truck way up there that decided to move into the left lane for some reason. So I'll keep singing the song. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we're in Massachusetts and they have that law here. So, sucks for you, you guys get to be in the video. Oh well. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!